Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of two chutneys, which is raw mango chutney and gooseberry chutney. Both these chutneys have quite different taste when compared to regular chutneys. This goes well with dosa and idli. Without further delay, let's get started. First, I'm going to show how to prepare raw mango chutney. For that, we need half a raw mango. Take good quality raw mango which has little sweeter taste in it. Tangy raw mango varieties wouldn't suit for this chutney. Dice half of the mango with the skin on. In Tamil, we used to say this variety of mango is Mottu Mangai. In a kadai, dry roast 2 tablespoons of peanuts. If you have roasted peanuts means you can use it directly. Roast the peanuts nicely and remove the skin. Next, I am going to grind all the ingredients for the chutney. I am taking everything in a bowl just to show you. Take the raw mangoes and 2 tablespoons of roasted peanut. In goes 2 tablespoons of roasted Bengal gram or pottu kadalai in Tamil. Add in a small piece of ginger and 1 teaspoon of jeera. In goes 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Add in salt as needed. 1/4 cup of coriander leaf. 2 green chilli. And few curry leaves. Grind all the ingredients by adding enough water into your coarse paste. Coarsely grinded raw mango chutney is ready. This chutney is so delicious and do give a try. Next, I am going to prepare gooseberry chutney. For this recipe, I am taking 3 gooseberries. Slice the gooseberries into small pieces. Heat 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil in a kadai. Add in 2 tablespoons of urad dal. Once the urad dal is roasted, add in a small piece of ginger and the chopped gooseberries. Add in small piece of tamarind and 3 red chilli. If you want chutney to be more spicy means you can add more red chilli. In goes less than 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Saute it and cook the gooseberries. Add in a fistful of coriander leaf and saute it. Once the gooseberry is roasted, add in half a cup of freshly grated coconut. Add in salt as needed and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. The coconut shouldn't change color, so saute it slightly. Grind the chutney into a coarse paste by adding enough water. Gooseberry chutney is grinded perfectly. Raw mango chutney as well as gooseberry chutney is ready now. For tempering, heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seed. In goes 1/4 teaspoon of split urad dal. Add in couple of red chilli and the curry leaf. The tempering is ready and add it to the chutneys. Give it a mix when the oil is hot. Gooseberry and the raw mango chutneys are ready to be served now. Do try this recipe and share me the feedback. I serve these chutneys with idli. If you try this recipe, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.